okay? What's going on? What's going on? Are you choking? What the fuck? Hey, okay, here. What'd you do? What'd you do? What'd you do? Come here, come here. Come here. What the fuck? What's going on, honey? Here, touch it. Here. What's going on? Come here. It's okay. Ah, shit. What's going on? Are you okay? Come here. What's going on? It's okay. Can you breathe? Okay, what's going on? Is something stuck in your throat? Come here. Let me see. Oh, shit. I don't know what's going on. Here. Stopped choking, so then I syringe fed him some water after he stopped choking, and he is... Hello. Hi, baby. So he's fine now. I don't know what that was.